Welcome to Flemdog Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at ions and formulas. Happy you could be here. Today let's look at if we had this ionic compound, iron stuck to sulfate, and the question is asking us, what ions are those both? So let's jot down our question. We have iron stuck to sulfate, Fe, and there's two of them. That doesn't mean it's iron 2. We'll try to figure out what iron it is. And sulfate, SO4, and there's 3 sulfates. So what are the ionic species that we have here? Well, if I'm trying to figure that out, we need to know that our general rule is the positives and the negatives add up to be 0. So where do we even start with something like this? Because iron can be a variety of things. +3 or +2 are 2 main species. I'm sure there's some other ones that can be in there. And which one do we have? We got to figure that out. So the way we figure that out is we say sulfate always becomes the same thing. This is called a polyatomic ion, and it always becomes SO4 2-. And we have 3 of them. We have 3 SO4 2-. So SO4 2-, SO4 2-. That means we have a total of 2, 4, 6-, whereas iron we have 2 of. So I have 2 irons, and they add up to 6+. So what must each one of them be? Nice simple math there. They must be 3+. So what are the ionic species I have? I have 2 iron 3+, and I have 3 sulfates here. So these are the ionic species that we have. And this particular assignment, we would be looking for, you have iron 3+ and SO4 2-. And if you had to name that, that's iron 3 sulfate. The Roman numeral 3 comes from the charge that we see. Hope that helps, and we'll keep practicing our chemistry together and get better and better. See you soon.
Wonder, oh wonder,